Market Recap is brought to you by MyMoneyJA, the official data partner of Money Media. The JSE Combined Index lost 1,400 points last week, less than 0.5%. 123 stocks traded across the main and junior markets for the week ending Friday, March 21, 2025. 49 made gains, 66 lost value, and 8 stayed the same. 145 million shares changed hands on the Jamaican dollar market, valued at $567 million. Indies Pharma was the week's most traded stock, with 40 million shares changing hands. It started the week up 8%, following news of their new drug being approved in the United States. Transjam traded the second most shares. The stock opened Monday up almost 10%, and Wigton rounded out last week's most traded. Now let's see who had the biggest gains of the week. Key Insurance was the JSE's top stock, up 20% to open the week at $2.46. GK announced plans to fully acquire the company last week. They're offering shareholders $2.70 a share. Epley Caribbean Property Fund had the second biggest gain, up 17%, and Caribbean Cream rounded out the top stocks, up 13%. On the losing side now, ISP Finance was the week's biggest loser. The stock lost 32% to start the new week at $19.81. AMG Packaging and Paper fell 20%, and 138 Student Living Variable Preference lost 19% to close out the week at $230. Over on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, the composite index was mostly flat last week. Massey was the TTSE's most traded stock. It opened Monday at $3.84 TT. And Calypso Macro Index Fund was the market's top gainer, up 5% to start the week at $25 TT. On the losing side, Guardian Media fell 11% to open Monday at $1 TT. Over in the U.S., the Dow Jones was up 1% last week, while the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq gained about 0.5% each. At the pumps, gas prices climbed $2.34 last week, while diesel prices dropped another $3.06. In foreign exchange trading, it took an average $157.63 Jamaican to purchase $1 last Friday. That's 32 cents more than the week before. $1 Canadian cost an average $109.82 Jamaican. $1 British pound cost $202.96 Jamaican, and you could buy €1 for $170.31 Jamaican on average. Finally, on the crypto markets, Bitcoin prices gained almost 1% over the past 5 days, trading at $87,447 on Monday, and Ethereum gained 1%, trading at $2,085 on Monday. Market Recap was brought to you by MyMoneyJA, the official data partner of Money Media.